Welcome. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to register for CAT 2026 through the official website. Visit the website admissions.qsat.ac.in. Click on the Downloads tab on the home page and download the CAT Prospectus 2026. Then read it thoroughly before starting the registration process. Registration process. Click the Apply Here button. On the registration page, fill in your name, phone number, and email ID. Enter the OTP received on your phone and create a password following the specified criteria for future logins. Then click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email. Open your inbox, locate the email, and click the activation link to activate your profile. Logging into your profile. After activating your profile, go to the admissions homepage and click on Login. Use your registered email ID as the username and the password created during registration. Carefully read the general instructions provided. Click on Start Registration. Carefully read the registration instructions provided. Click on Proceed Now. Personal details. Fill in your personal details in the specified fields. Click Save and Continue. Reservation details. If you are a Keralite, enter your family's annual income and reservation details from the drop-down menu. Please note that if you choose to apply for an NRI or CGW seat, an additional fee of 5,000 rupee will be applicable on top of the regular application fee. If you apply for both NRI and CGW seats, an additional fee of 10,000 rupee will be applicable in addition to the regular application fee. Please note that the selection of NRI CGW seat reservation must be made at the time of application submission. Requests for the same will not be permitted at later stages. If applicable, add any special reservation details. Once you have entered all the details, click Save and Continue. Photo and signature upload. Upload your passport size photograph and signature as per the guidelines. Use a photo with a clear white background. Please note that selfies are not allowed. For your guidance, we are presenting an example to show how to prepare your photograph for upload. Search for Pi7 Image Editor and click on the first search result. From the image editing options, click on the Resize Image Pixel button. Select the photo you want to edit. Then crop it accordingly by trimming the unwanted portions. You can change the background to white by clicking on the background button. Next, change the aspect ratio as specified in the prospectus. You can also set the image size to the required file size by entering the exact kilobyte value in the field provided. Then click on Resize Image. Enter a name for the file and download the image. You can follow the same procedure to edit your signature as well. Program selection. After uploading the photo and signature, the next step is to select the program you wish to apply for. For this, click on the drop-down menu and select the combination of programs you wish to apply for. After selecting the category, next, enter the highest academic qualification you have. Click on Program and Test Code selection. You can type the course name, and the system will auto-complete and suggest relevant courses. From the suggestions, select the qualification you possess. Based on the qualification selected, the system will display the programs you are eligible to apply for. From this list, select the programs you wish to apply for and click on Confirm Programs. Based on the program selected, the corresponding test codes will be displayed. Please note that the application fee for the first 2 test codes is 1,500 rupees. For each additional test code, 500 rupee will be added to the regular application fee. Click on Save Section button. The current section will be saved after this. Click on Confirm and then Save and Continue button. Go through the short review of each section and ensure that all the details provided are correct. If any correction is needed, go to the relevant section and make the necessary changes. Once all details are accurate, read the final declarations, tick the checkboxes, and click the Proceed to Payment button. Application fee payment. As per your program selection, the application fee will be displayed. Check whether the amount shown is correct and click the Proceed to Pay button. You will then be directed to the payment page. Payment can be made using a debit card, credit card, net banking, or UPI. Select your preferred payment method and proceed with the payment. Please be patient while on the payment page and do not click the back or refresh button on the browser. After successful payment, your screen will display the transaction status as successful. Click on Continue. Center selection. Select your preferred test center from the list and click Reserve. Then click Save and Continue. Go through the final preview section wise and then click Proceed. You will be directed to the final application submission page. Read the declarations and tick the checkboxes. For final submission, click the Final Submit button. Your application is now submitted successfully. Log in again to access the student portal. Currently, your application status will be awaiting approval. Once the verification process is completed successfully, the status of your application will be updated accordingly. For any queries regarding the registration process, contact the Directorate of Admission Help Desk, QSAT. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful and informative.